Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Language Pack on your Office 365. Now for this, you can go to File and then go to Options and then go to Language option over here. And over here, you can click on Add a Language, and whichever language you want, you can select the language which you want. For example, I will just select English United Kingdom. So you can select from the list of language, whichever language you want, and then you can click on install. And if you want to uncheck this box, you can uncheck this box which says set as office display language. So if you want to uncheck, you can uncheck this, and if you want to put a check over here, click on install and then click on OK, and this will take some time, so let the process complete. Now over here you can see save your work before continuing. So just save your work if you have any work unsaved, and then click on continue and let the process complete. Now once done, you can close this and then you can launch Word, or you can simply go to options, language, and over here you can see my language. Here you can see English United Kingdom has been added over here. So this is how you can add the language pack. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.